Why are you the cutest puppy in the whole world? I love you. I'm gonna open my box with me. Macy's joining us for today's video. Oh, you want bus scratches? Oh, you want the bus scratches? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a pretty cool video for you guys today. And if you couldn't tell, I obviously changed my scenery up a little bit. I thought maybe you guys were getting tired of that spot that I've been filming in for a couple weeks now. So moved over to a different corner in the room. We have a special visitor with us today, and that's Miss Macy. Huh, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. So she's going to be hanging out with us right here. So as you can see from the title and the thumbnail and everything, we are doing a FabFitFun unboxing. You guys, I love FabFitFun so much. This is, I think, like my 4th box from them. So they give you a box every season. So every 3 months they send out a box, and it is just filled with so many goodies. Like, it's so fun to get this box every month with so many goodies and so many presents. It's definitely like not totally necessary, and it's a little extra, but it's still fun if you are able to do it. It's fun to just give yourself a gift every 3 months. And I never know what's coming, except they do let you customize a few pieces. So like 3 or 4 things you're able to choose between a few options. So that's kind of cool. So you know a few things, you'll know what to expect, but for the most part, you'll have no idea. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. I haven't even opened up the box yet at all. So no idea what's gonna be in here. Ta-da! So this is what you see when you open the box. This is the inside. There is always a little like magazine. That's always the first thing in here. And then it tells you all about the products on the inside. It tells you like different ways that you can use them, things like that. I don't let her do anything. Excuse me. What are you doing? Yeah, relax. Jeez. All right, so then the next thing in here is the HelloFresh $60 gift card to HelloFresh. So that's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna open the tissue paper. Oh my God, this looks like such a good box. I'm so excited. This is what it looks like now. A little sneaky peeky. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of go through this box from top to bottom. Let's just do it. So the first thing I see in here is a Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick. That's awesome. This is in the shade Merengue. Bite Beauty is actually a really good lipstick brand. I actually was able to go to the little store in New York where you can make your own lipstick. So that was really amazing. And that to this day is still like one of my favorite lipsticks because it's mine. It's so special. I love it. But anyways, the formula of Bite lipsticks are usually really good. This color. Ooh. So this is, like I said, the shade Meringue or Merengue, whatever. And it looks like this. Oh, this is a Chelsea color right here. They hit the nail on the head. I'm going to swatch it. Do you see that? So pigmented, so me. Like, wow, I cannot wait to wear this. I'm so excited. Like, I'm already so happy with this box just with that one lipstick. So, I mean, that's pretty amazing right there. So the next thing in here, it says black eye mask with hyaluronic acid. So I'm assuming that these are eye masks that you put under your eyes to moisturize. Let's open these up. I want to see what they look like. I do really like eye masks. I use them like if I have a really late night and I'm really tired the next day, or you know, if I'm just tired in general, because that's usually the case. And these just really help to like brighten the under eye. So it comes with 5 masks. It looks like this. So they're black under eye masks. Late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb-on-carb delights. Can have our peepers looking, well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. I'll definitely be using these for sure. And even if I don't use these on myself, I might put them into my makeup kit, because on my brides, I always like to do an eye mask before we do their makeup, just to depuff and get them like looking beautiful for their wedding day. So somebody's definitely gonna get some use out of that. Oh, I'm so excited for this. One of my favorite YouTubers, Kathleen Lights, she is always talking about this new brand, Thrive Cosmetics. I say it like that because it's C-A-U-S-E Medics, so it's not like regular cosmetics, it's cosmetics, you get it? But yeah, she's always talking about this brand, and now I got something in my box. I've been wanting to try it, but I just haven't placed the order. You know, like when you just add things to your cart, but you're not pulling the trigger? That's me. But this is really exciting. So this is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. It has ring light technology. It says it's in the shade Stella, which is a champagne shimmer. This is what the box looks like. It says, shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer powered by ring light technology to diffuse light and define features. To use, apply to the brow bone, lids, waterline, and inner corners of eyes. So this is what it looks like. You could put it anywhere that you want to add a little bit of brightness. Like you know me, and I love my like inner corner highlight, so I can definitely use this. I swatched it right there, so you can definitely see that added glow that you get from this pencil. Okay, so the next thing in here is by the brand Elevate, I believe, and it is 2 essential oils. That's cool. So you get eucalyptus. You get eucalyptus and sweet orange with fractionated coconut and jojoba oil. That's awesome. It says the eucalyptus is for revitalizing and the sweet orange is for energizing. Eucalyptus can be applied topically to sore muscles and can be beneficial for cold and flu symptoms. And the sweet orange is often used on the temples or stomach for cramps and headaches. So the next thing. I don't remember like exactly which customizations I chose when I got like that email, but I'm pretty sure this was one of the things that I chose to receive in my box because I've been wanting one for a very long time, but I just again haven't gone out and purchased it myself. This is a Cherie Matthews Acupuncture Jade Roller. So this is what the box looks like. Super cute. Yeah, so I've been wanting a jade roller for a few months now. They're supposed to be really good for like circulation. You use it on your face. So basically what you do is you roll the jade on your face, and the jade has certain elements that are supposed to help in like depuffing your face, helping circulation in your skin so that it really glows, and yeah. So there's a lot of like benefits to jade rollers. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And I also feel like honestly this is just a nice thing. Ooh, to break apparently. This is just like a nice thing to just kind of like have on your vanity or like in your bathroom. It's just so pretty, you know? So this is what the jade roller looks like. So this is all jade, and then it has the smaller one for under the eyes and the larger side for around your face. So I do have makeup on right now, but I'll just kind of show you. So you're supposed to, oh my god, that's so cold. It's freezing. This will definitely wake you up in the morning. I don't know like how true all these things that people say about jade rollers are, but it's just a nice like thing to do in the morning. I feel like that would definitely wake me up, and that coldness on the one for under the eyes would completely like depuff your under eyes for sure. So I am so excited to finally use a jade roller. Again, I've been wanting one for months, so thank you FabFitFun for like helping me out. I think there's like only a few things left, but there's so much stuff in this box, it's crazy. We already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that we got. And the box is, I think, like $50, so $10 for each thing. Like, those things are definitely over $10 each, so we already have that value, and I'm going to use everything that I've taken out of the box so far, so yes, so excited. The next thing in here, I think I chose this as one of my customization things as well. It's by the brand Bear Paw in this plastic. Let me get it out of there. So I think I definitely chose this as one of my customization options because I live in Connecticut and it's freezing, and this is a set of gloves and an ear warmer. So, oh my god, I can't wait to use this. Oh, it's so soft. So this is by the brand Bear Paw. It says live life comfortably. This is what the logo looks like. A pair of black gloves, and these are so cute. They have like the finger holes. Let's just put them on, because you know what? I'm actually cold right now. So then, if your fingies get cold, you get to make it into a mitten. I've actually never owned a pair of mittens, I don't think. Not that I know of. Maybe when I was a kid, but I don't remember that at all. These are cool though. I mean, I am always cold, you guys. Like, I'm ready for the winter. Bring it on. Just kidding. Don't bring it on. Leave it. Take it away. couple more things in the box, so let's keep going. So next is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Infuse and nourish thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. A rich creamy texture softens and smooths skin, providing intense hydration and comfort. It says apply once or twice a week and rinse after 3 to 5 minutes or leave all night. So it's not like a moisturizer that you leave on, it's more of a mask. So you put it on, it moisturizes, and then you rinse it off, or you can leave it on overnight. So that's pretty cool. I don't think I have anything like that. Let's put this on the back of our hand and see what it's like. I'm assuming it's gonna be like a really thick moisturizer. That smells so good. It smells like something like a spa would use for a facial. This hand is definitely softer than this hand right now. This one, it's gonna like shrivel up and die. This one is like living its best life. Could always use all the hydration I can get, so that's great. The next thing, you guys, I'm so excited to try this. You know my love for dry shampoo is like on another level. So the next thing in this box is the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. This box is super adorable. Definitely like my kind of vibe. Look at this. I'm like a huge fan of good packaging, so highly appreciate this. Now let's see what the actual product looks like, because that's more important, I guess. This is a huge bottle of dry shampoo, and it has all like the same design with the black and gold. It says shake well, spray 8 to 10 inches from scalp, and tussle with fingers or brush through until product is completely absorbed. I've never used anything from this brand, so this is kind of cool. Again, it's great that having these boxes allows you to try new brands and things like that. So yeah, let's give this a go. Oh, it smells great. Oh, love that. I'll do a couple layers like I normally do. So I don't think this is spraying out white. I think it's clear, so that's pretty cool because I have dark hair, so a lot of like white dry shampoos tend to really show up on my roots no matter like how much I tussle them, you know? So I could always use a clear dry shampoo. That's pretty awesome. I'm just gonna let that sit in my hair for a second just so it can kind of like absorb any oils that might be there. But like I said, I did just wash my hair this morning, so it shouldn't be oily. So I'm just gonna take my fingers and brush through like this. I definitely think it added like a little bit of volume to my roots, which is cool. Okay, we are on the last product in this FabFitFun. It is a Mark & Graham blanket. Looks like this. It is a beautiful light gray. I love this color, like, oh, such a good neutral. It's 50 by 60, which is a really good size. I am actually 60 inches, which is 5 feet. So that'll be perfect for me. Ooh, it has fringe. I love that. Oh. So it's very lightweight, but that's not always a bad thing. Sometimes like in the summer, you don't need a huge heavy blanket, but this is great. I love the color, and I love, oh wait, I think it's 2 colors. Honestly, this is just great. Maybe not even to use as like a cuddly, cozy blanket, but just to more so use as like decor. You can just kind of like drape it over a chair or your couch or anything really. You can just kind of drape it on anything, and it'll just add that nice light gray with the fringe. I think this is beautiful. I am so happy with this season's box, you guys. Every single product I received, I will 100% use. There's nothing in here that is not useful. Now let's look in the magazine and see like how much everything was, things like that. This is where it shows you all the products that are in the box. The Mark & Graham Color Block Throw in Gray Ivory is $49. The Bear Paw combo set of headband and pop top glove duo is $45. And then the Oribe Gold Lust dry shampoo was $44. That's really expensive dry shampoo. The Living Proof one that I've been using is like $23, and even that is kind of pricey. The Jade Roller, that was $45. There is the Bite Beauty lipstick, which retails for $26. So then there were the essential oils, which are $31 for the set. And then the last 3 things, this blue section means that everybody gets all 3 of these items. So the Thrive Cosmetics Eye Brightener is $24. The Hydration Cream Mask is $33. And the under eye gels are $29. Remember a minute ago when I told you that I paid about $50 for this box? $326. That's the value of the box. That just blows my mind. I am obsessed with this month's box. That's it for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Coffee break. Got my own gloves, got new gloves.